Okay, good afternoon. How are you? Today we are going to look on the topic hygiene, which is very important for our daily activities and practice in whatever that you are doing. More so when dealing with food and drinks in the food and beverage industry. So we define the term hygiene, which is the practice conducive for maintaining health and preventing diseases, especially through cleanliness. We ought to be clean whenever you go into a hotel, in the dining, or even in the kitchen. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands before handling any type of food. Clean them properly, wash the food items that you're going to prepare, even the equipments included needs to be clean and in good condition. So on the importance of hygiene, we need to know why it is important to be clean in everything. So hygiene helps us to have good body image. That is, you're able to conduct yourself with confidence. You feel free to relate with other people without fearing or anything. It also promotes healing. When you're clean and the equipment used for preparing food are clean, there are no risks for any health problems or any cross contamination of food. So hygiene also brings about social interest. You're able to be with friends all over and interact with no problems at all. So hygiene also reflects on our personality. Who you as a person, how do you carry out yourself all through when you're clean? Are you able to feel free in all everything that you do, or do you feel that you're tied back to do whatever you need to do? So we have different types of hygiene. The first one is personal hygiene. Then we also have kitchen hygiene, food hygiene, and environmental hygiene. So for today, we are going to focus on personal hygiene. Why do we need to be clean as a person? Why do you need to be presentable in all that you do? So we need to know the importance of being clean as a person. So personal hygiene helps prevent skin infection. That is, when you're clean as a person, it will prevent or even stop any skin irritation that might occur due to not bathing or doing anything. It also prevents illness and other health issues. It also keeps one clean and comfortable. You feel more comfortable as a person when you're clean. And in the food industry, cleanliness helps to prevent food contamination. That is, when you wash your hands, all your equipments are clean. It will prevent any type of cross contamination on the food items that you are preparing. So, in personal hygiene, what you need to do is shower on a daily basis, that is at least twice a day. The clothes you are wearing have to be clean and well pressed. This helps to keep germs away and kill if possible. You also need to wash your hair and tie when working in the kitchen. The hair needs to be covered all through in your kitchen activities. Why is it important to practice hygiene, personal hygiene? As we said before, it prevents skin infection and also illnesses that might occur due to the dirtiness, due to being dirty. So we need to keep clean in everything that you do. So under personal hygiene, we are going to measure in there are different types of personal hygiene. So we have the oral hygiene, which deals with the mouth. How do you keep your mouth clean? How do you prevent germs in oral hygiene? So the first Oral hygiene can present itself through several ways. The first one, we have bad breath. So that one occurs when bacteria in the teeth have accumulated, which causes someone to have bad breath. We also have tooth decay. This occurs due to taking sugary food and drinks and not cleaning your gums and teeth properly. So other issues that may arise due to poor oral hygiene, we also have cavities, gum bleeding, and others which present themselves in the mouth. So what you need to do as a person is brush at least twice a day so as to keep clean. You also need to floss. This helps remove food particles that are accumulated in between the teeth and other areas. You also need to use mouthwash to kill bacteria inside your mouth and keep it fresh and smelling good. It is also important to observe hand and nail hygiene. Since food is mostly handled using your hands, they have to be very much clean to prevent germ transfer. So on hand hygiene, you have to ensure you wash your hands thoroughly before touching any food. Once you enter into a food area, the first thing you need to do is wash your hands. Then you need to cover sores and wounds. This also prevents and also helps it to heal faster and transfer of germs. Avoid touching the mouth and nose as they also harbor germs which can be transferred to food. When it comes to nails, you need to avoid biting or chewing the nails. Keep them short and well trimmed. It is also important to moisturize your hands so that they keep soft and good in carrying out your activities. So, with all this, I hope we know what to do when you're carrying out your duties in the food and beverage department. Thank you for your participation.